The all-new Bong-Aid Grinder Cleaner. The first and only nano-infused grinder cleaner on the market. Nano-infused lava ash permeates resin deeply, effectively targeting and lifting even the most stubborn spots. With multi-surface compatibility, Bong-Aid's all-new grinder cleaner is compatible with metal, plastic, and ceramic-coated grinders. Do you hate the smell of resin on your hands when you're done cleaning? Through the infusion of menthol, we've successfully mitigated the resin's lingering scent, ensuring it doesn't adhere to your hands. Buy now at Bong-Aid.com and get free shipping in the USA on orders of $19.99 or more. Get a single bottle for only $13.99. Or save big when you bundle and buy 3. Normally priced at $41.97 on sale for only $28.99 with free shipping in the USA.
Whoa!
Bong-Aid. Providing top-quality glass cleaners for bongs, bangers, and smoking accessories since 2018.